Hey Sammy fam, today we are doing a fun little review. Hope you'll join me in trying these out. We have Quilo Sabor a Huevo Frito, the flavor of fried egg. Yeah, fried egg potato chips. Interesting. But not only that, we also have, and I think I'm more interested in this one, I'm more excited about it honestly, because I like a fried egg, but a fried egg on its own is not. You gotta put stuff on it. You gotta have some cheese. You gotta have some hot sauce. But this is another Quillo Jamon Iberico, Spanish ham. Yeah, Spanish ham potato chips. Let's dig into those first because I'm more excited about it. Okay. Well, nice. Crisp looking potato chip, and it smells like ham. Has a delightful smack of ham. Oh boy. Papa is fairly happy for the time being. Now with potato chips, I'm getting a little bit of hamminess, but they're fried. I'm also getting a fair amount of kind of like burntness, to it. And with the crispiness together, really, what this experience is more like than Jamon Iberico, which is delicious. This is more like chicharrones. Pretty much exactly like chicharrones, but not, the fluffy texture. If you don't know what that is, pork rinds, basically, fluffed up, fried pork skin and maybe a little bit of fat on the inside of that. Oh, that chip, though, didn't have any flavor at all. Like, not even salt. That's weird. So really what we're talking about right here is a slightly hammy chip. Not at all like actual Spanish ham. Surprisingly not that much salt to it, which, good and a bad thing, I think it could use a touch more, but then you might get sick of it faster. And the ham flavor, you might get sick of that. But it's not too strong, it's subtle, so maybe that's on purpose so you eat more chips. Because if it was really strong, I immediately would be like, one and done, or two and through. Okay. Let's move on here, guys. Let's go to our fried egg chips. Okay, well, comparison here. Fried egg chip, ham chip. They look exactly the same. So, visual comparison, inconclusive. Wow. That's quite eggy. You can probably already tell from the speed that I'm eating them that I'm preferring the fried egg chips. They have a more interesting flavor to me. Not just a tingle of ham like the other ones. These really get the egginess across. They're a little bit more salty. Salt, of course, a very important flavor in flavoring your eggs. And there's something else. I don't know how to describe the flavor in an egg, but that proteininess. It tastes like an egg white. If you fry it sunny side up and you let that bottom side get a little crispy edge on it, that's what it tastes like. I like that sometimes. That's good. That's nice to put on top of a burger. These would be nice to put on top of a burger. Now I wonder, how do they create this flavor? Let's investigate the ingredients. All in Spanish. Oh, here we go. English ingredients. Potatoes, sunflower oil, salt, flavor of egg. The flavor of egg is apparently dextrose salt and monosodium L-glutamate. Huh. And then yeast extract. Does this one have yeast extract too? Is that a common? No. Okay, interesting. So, dextrose salt, I don't know what that is. And monosodium L-glutamate. Monosodium L-glutamate. E-621. Make the flavor of egg pretty convincingly. Yeah, guys, I'm down to clown on some egg chips. Let's look at these. These have potatoes, sunflower oil, salt, and Iberian ham flavoring. That's all it says. Well, that's not very descriptive. Maybe they just use kind of the same mixture you might use if you were curing a ham, but they toss the chips in it. After eating these, the egg ones, the ham ones seem even more bland. But here's an idea. Let's have a ham and egg sandwich. Let me get a good chip. Or a couple. Okay. Here we go. Ham and egg sandwich. Oh yeah. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. Get your money for nothing. And your chips for free. Guys, I'm double fisting. So to conclude, guys, if you see these in stores and you're just going to buy one, because I know they're a little bit expensive, it might have been like $7 a bag or something, you know, a little bit much. But for the novelty of it, it's fun. But if you're going to buy one, buy the egg, because the egg is the best on its own. But if you're down to buy two, buy both. I say serve them at a party, put them both in a bowl together so it's mixed up so people just grab a little bit of everything. I think they're best mixed. And now I want to make like a fried egg sandwich with some American cheese. So I'm going to go do that. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. And I hope this proved educational and informative. Thanks, car horn.